Hello once again, audience. If you know who does that intro, let me know, and you win a virtual cookie. So I'm going to go over the setup guide for the Tritton AX180s because people have still got a few problems with it. So I thought I'd help you guys again and try and solve your problems. So what I'm going to do first is go over what you need for the PlayStation and PlayStation and PS3 the same thing. Xbox and PlayStation. Okay. So you always have to go to the back of your television, and you get this cable included in the pack. Okay, it's a 3.5mm connector, female connector, which goes to some piggyback blocks. These are connected to the audio on your Xbox or PlayStation. You need to do them no matter which console you use, otherwise you will not hear the audio from the television. Okay, so you've got those, and that connects like so, just goes in the middle basically. Okay, and then once you've got that done, you can continue with everything else. So this connector, PS3 or Xbox, will connect to the green connector of the headset. Okay, so that goes together. But it's running away from me right now. It's very hard to do things with one hand. Okay, hang on, bear with. Okay, so that's that. You need to do that on Xbox and PS3. Secondly, you've got the pink. If you're using this on Xbox and PlayStation, totally ignore it. Okay? Just doesn't exist. Cut it off. No, don't cut it. No, don't cut it off. Don't cut it off. You might need it somewhere. But just ignore it. Just like imagine it's not there. Okay. So then you've got this big long lead to the headset. If you're using Xbox or PlayStation, you need to use this one as well. So Xbox goes in there. PlayStation goes in there. Okay, get a light on that for you so you can see it. There you go. There or there, yeah. If you've got the newer one, I don't know where the USBs are on the newer Xbox or the newest PS3 to be honest, but you'll figure it out, guys. So yeah, try it again. PlayStation setup is simply USB and then the green to the PlayStation leads. If you're using an Xbox as well, like I do, you're going to need to switch over the cables at the back of this, at the back of the television when you want to change over console, which is a bit of a pain, but you know, you get a better game experience from it, so it's worth doing. So yeah, using PlayStation, go to your controller here and flick the switch over to PlayStation 3, okay? Oh, there you go. So that's on the PS3. And then you need to go to the PlayStation settings, where you've got the options of your headset, the options, and then you just choose, I don't know what it comes up as because I haven't used it for a long time, but you'll find it. Okay, and then Xbox, same thing. Put the USB into there, like that. Okay, and then you're going to need this cable, which comes with the Tritton. Let's get this cable out of the way so it doesn't confuse. So you have this is a 3.5mm connection to a 2.5mm connection. Now this is going to work with a controller. Have I got one handy? Bear with me, guys. Okay, so this is going to work with the Xbox. So you're going to put the smaller end, no, that's too big, that's what she said, into there, into the controller. So best audio quality on Xbox Live, use a wireless controller. This is wireless, but it's got no battery in at the moment. Okay, and then you've got the headset control. I'm going to call this the control box. So if you hear me say that, you know what I mean. Flick over the switch to Xbox. Okay. Then you'll notice on the other side there's a little hole. This is where the 3.5mm connection goes from the other end of the controller. So follow it around to here. That goes into there, like so. Now that's ready to use on Xbox. It practically works as the same method as the Xbox headsets you get with the actual console. You know, the junk ones. So you don't have to set anything up with that one. You'll hear the audio through the speakers as well as the game. And if you're using this on the PC or Mac, I suppose it works on Mac. All you need to do, get rid of this cable. You're not using an Xbox right now, you're using a PC. Okay, then you get this cable, plug it into the computer. You know, we've all got USBs. If you haven't got USB, I think you seriously need to update your computer, because you must have like one from the 80s or something. Put that in there, in the USB. You know, imagine that's a USB. There's a USB. Poke it in the USB. Then you've got your, and then you can even do it two ways. You can use it just the USB, which is on the back here. USB voice chat, or you can use the pink if you prefer. So PC1, as it matches up here, PC1 USB, it's on PC1 now, or PC2, flick it over, which is the Xbox side actually, and then you use the USB and the pink. That's the only time you use the pink, unless you're kind of doing gameplays and you want to record your voice while you play, which is when you'll use this one. Cool. I think that's everything you need to know, guys. It's quite a long video, I know that, but it'll be hopefully worth it to you guys to help you set up the Trittons. Any questions, let me know, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So yeah, thanks for watching the video, guys. I say an awful lot, don't I? I need to kind of think of a new thing to say, like no, it doesn't work, does it? Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope this has been some use to you. So thank you very much. I'll leave you with the Tritton logo. Bless your face. Boop.